There are two sounds that take me back over 4 decades. Sitting on a stone wall and hearing Upper Flat Creek run beneath my feet. Then this. The bell that tells everyone in this valley you have to be somewhere in 5 minutes. Time to eat. Time to race up the hill for some outrageous games. Time for club. Time for an evening surprise event. In Young Life, it's always a surprise. Join us online May 20th, 8 p.m. Eastern to celebrate Windy Gap's 50 years. I'll ring the bell again, and you use the 5 minutes to click the link and register, and then share the page with some others who need to remember this too. See you soon.